Alright, camera went off for some reason, don't know why. Guess it wasn't filming. Pulled the thread. Okay, I'm not sure how much has got missed. Basically, I primed the motor. I put my hand over it like this. Put some fuel all over my hand. There's now fuel inside the carbonator in there, see? The idle mixture screw is buried up under here. That hole right there. So it's 2 3/8 turns out. I gave another 1/4 of a turn more on the idle speed. This is my jumper cable right here that goes to my ignition, which is right here. Don't touch that yet. And this is my starter button right here. And choke is on. Should be ready to light it off. Should go boom, 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 boom. We have no pipes on it. Exhaust pipes are accessory items. You don't always need them. It runs just fine without them. Okay. Throttle's going to be my yanking right here. If I need to. Oh, the auxiliary pump works. She's loaded. Loaded for bear. Alright, let's see what happens. Ignition. And throttle contact. She runs. Some fumes in this building though. You should not be running your exhaust pipe without air conditioning going on. So maybe we should open up the fumigation department in here. Kind of stinks in here. There goes my heater. All right, runs pretty good. Oh, got some heat on there. That's good. Didn't really feel much heat in my rocker boxes yet. I think it's being warmed up over here. Yeah, the sticker's all right. Blowing right on top of the sticker, but sticker's fine. Definitely got heat in the tank. Oh, it's a lot hotter on this side here. We got an oil tank heater going right here. It was pumping oil back. Some in there, not a lot. Some oil down in there. Pretty much this thing didn't have much oil in it. I had it in second gear there running the bike around. The motor makes no noises. Nice and good motor. It's obviously not smoking. Start up good. Hasn't run in decades probably. I think it's worth putting some more money into it now. Maybe a set of exhaust pipes that are, we don't have any exhaust pipes for this bike. These are, we got some extra holes in that pipe right there. But I guess it'd be better than nothing though, but oh well. I don't know if the clutch works because I have to rebuild the brake to make the brakes work. But other than that, everything seems to be operational. Starts to run. A little bit of residue, but not really. Yeah, it's got something there, but not enough to really do anything. Wonder if it's coming out of the top up there again. My vent hole up here. It does have moisture up in there. Have to see if it's shouldn't be leaking out of that though. I don't know what's going on with that. Spray of fuel there? Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't have cut that like that. I don't know. We'll just put that right there and pretend like it never leaked there. So if there's leakage there, that should stop it. Oh, camera fire, you can see it. All right, well, we need to weld some frame back on here. We need to put something else for a gas tank. So I think I need to work on the brakes a little bit on the back. The front one does work. Maybe hook up a throttle cable for the hell of it. Put some exhaust pipes on there just to be different. Key thing is it runs. That's all that matters. All right, that's it for now. We're going to go unfumigate this building a little bit.